think coming to Dunedin from Rotorua especially, I was really isolated from my huri as a whole, and Trim has been that home for me and has really shaped me to be a proper adult.
Oh, it means a lot. I'm actually grateful that I even am a part of this, and the fact that this is like our kohatu te Rōpū Māori and our kohatu, all that are going to come to our university and all that have. Yeah, it's a big kaupapa, but just feeling grateful the whole time.
Well, you know, Trim's all about us coming together as a whānau, so I want us to be able to come together, produce these amazing waiata and then release them for everyone to hear, and I want everyone to be able to hear how amazing Trim is at not only singing but composing these waiata. Yeah.
Koinei tōku kaingarua niki. He whānau hoki tēnei, e te aki nā mātou ia mātou anō, awhina ia tātou anō, ka kai tātou tahi, ka kai tahi, ka waiata tahi, ka inu tahi, ka purei tahi, ka purei au niki.
Alright guys, so we just finished our practice, just warming up so that we can get ready to record on the beach.
Yeah, so this morning, you know, we're shooting music video, and I must say that I think as an association, as a whānau, we do something random every year. And so this is a random thing we're doing this year.
Hi guys, we are at our last location. We're at the Po. Say hey everyone. Say hey, say hey, say hey. Yeah, okay. Guys, so we have just wrapped up with our video shoot, and how are we all feeling? Drum on 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm getting to record something like this. I like seeing such a big kaupapa like this in front of Tautuhi Māori, and just not shying away from the fact that because we're Māori, we can't do anything. But my point is, we can do it. Oh, that's a deep question. I think I wouldn't be here without Trim, like, you know, like when I joined Trim, I kind of started liking living down here because I'm not from here, obviously, and yeah.
This album, to me, in terms of being a tauira Māori, it represents the past and the present tauira that we have here at Ōtākau Whakaihuwaka, and it's actually creating a new pathway for our future rangatahi Māori to come through these hallowed halls, to follow in their tuakana's footsteps, and to be part of this awesome whānau that we have here on campus. So this album represents the past, the present, and the future.
Oh, it's a video.
Your character.
Magneto. 3, 2, 1. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.